What is it? What is that? Is that the reaction you were going for? You got a backhoe. That's what you wanted. You gonna open your other presents first?
Let's open the other presents first.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you like it, Beau?
What do you say to Auntie B?
You're welcome, buddy. Merry Christmas.
You better go give her a big kiss.
Yeah, I better come give Auntie B a big kiss.
Yeah.
You better give Auntie B a big kiss.
Oh, no, Tammy.
Love you.
Okay, let's open the rest of the